Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new tutorial about the how we can detect light and dark area help of webcam. Okay, now let's start. Come on the block diagram, right click, come to vision motion, pin this. Okay, now click to vision utility, image management, drag this IMQ create. Okay, now right click and close this. Again right click here and come to vision motion, vision express, this one. Okay, now wait a few seconds. After a few seconds it's open a one pop-up window. Okay, okay, now you see this is a com0. Okay, you need to connect your webcam. Okay, after that click to this play option. Okay, now you see it's working well. Okay, now click to next and choose the second one. Okay, now click to next and finish. Okay, now you see it's created. This is your image out, this is output. Okay, now let's first click to run and let's check it's working or not. Now what you do, disable, disable this one. Okay, now let's click to run. Okay, yes, it's working. Okay, now you see it's working. Right click and jump to fit. Okay, now you see. Okay, let's click to turn off. Okay, now we'll drag here and delete this loop. Sorry, delete this loop. Okay, let's come on the block diagram. Let's modify it. Okay, remove this wire and right click and create a control. This is your control, stop button. Yes, now what you do, right click, come to vision motion. Okay, pin this vision utility and you see there have a image management and you need to select IMQ cast image too. Okay, now drag here. Because help of this we can change the color of image. Okay, now what we do, right click and create a constant. I am enter here lab 1. Sorry, lab 1, lab 1. Okay, now you need to create a constant image type, create a constant. Okay, and choose right now I'm choose the grayscale. Okay, this is your new image. Now click and you see there are image src and image destination. Click to this one and first option image src, connect to your image out. Okay, okay, this is I image destination out. Okay, now what we do, help of array we create a first, we get a array. Okay, and help of array we we create a logic about how we can detect a light or a dark area. And now what you do, right click, come to vision motion and vision utility. Okay, pixel. Now you see image to array, need to drag one. Okay, now you see there are image. Now you need to connect to this one. Okay, what you do, copy this IMQ. Okay, and connect to this one. Okay, this is your IMQ, this is the second image. Okay, now let's modify. Okay, now I remove this one, control B, all done. And this is your error out. Right click and create an indicator and right click and come to hide indicator. Okay, all done. And visible item label, right click and come to array. Okay, and they have max and minimum. Okay, click to this one and you see they have a image pixel u8 and connect to this terminal. Okay, this is the array, and help of array, it's difference about the maximum or minimum value. Okay, right now what you do, right click and come to indicator. This is a maximum value. Okay, this is your maximum value. Okay, now control E. Yes, now what do we do, help of this maximum value we can create logic about how deduct about the or we can say it show about like your area is dark or a white, or we can say light. Okay, how we can do this first, let's click to run it's working or not. Okay, it shows some error. Okay, now you see image type, right click and create a constant. Okay, right now you see error is gone. Okay, press to control E. Okay, and click to run. Let's see it was giving. Okay, now you see it's working fine, and the your image out is your RGB color and image out 2, that is grayscale. Okay, okay, and you see the maximum value is 2 to 3, like nearby 200. Okay, okay, now you see the value is nearby 200. Okay, the maximum is 255. Okay, when I nearby the light, okay, now you see right now have a full light. Okay, and it show 255. Okay, now you see. Okay, when I nearby a dark area, like you see, now you see value is changed. Okay, now you see the value is changed, like you see. Okay, you see maximum value is nearby 60 or 50, like you see it's 0, it's a fully black. Okay, now help of this we can create an indicator. Okay, if the have full maximum light then its LED is on, if the dark then other LED is on, and that's display your area is dark. Okay, how we can do this, let's stop this. Okay, press to control E. Okay, let's start to create a logic, right click and come to comparison. Okay, right now I'm choose a greater. Okay, let's select a greater. Now I'm connect here, that is greater. Okay, other one also greater. Okay, and remove this wire. Okay, now first this X, now click to and connect to this terminal. Okay, if the value is greater than, like I'm create a constant, if the value is greater than 200. Okay, right now let's clean the diagram. Okay, if the value is greater than 200 then right click and create indicator. This is your light, I am enter here like light area. Okay, light area, and again do the same. Connect to this terminal. Okay, and right click and create a constant, and I'm enter here if the value is less than 50. Okay, and change this icon, right click and replace. Okay, and choose a less. If the value is less than 50 then it's right click and create indicator, it show dark area. Okay, dark area. Okay, dark area. Okay, like this one. Okay, now let's increase the size. Okay, this is light area, and this one is your dark area. Okay, all done. Let's modify. Yes. Okay, now let's click to run the program. Okay, now you see light area, because the value is greater than 200. Okay, now you see it's a light area. Okay, okay, you see. Okay, when I nearby the dark area. Okay, in the dark light area, like you see, if nearby dark. Okay, the value is changed, and you see the value is changed, and if the less than 50 then it's show the dark area. Okay, right now I have the normal area. Okay, now what do you do, and you see the value is less than 50 and it show dark area. Okay, you see the black. Okay, you see right now it's a normal. Okay, you see they have something is visible. Okay, that's why it's show the normal size. Okay, right now you see they have a light in this area, and it's show this is the maximum. Okay, Now you see. Okay, help with this you can modify as per your comment. Okay, like if you need to change the value, like, oh, if the value is greater than 150, then your light is on. Okay, like this. Okay, press Control T. Okay, and you can do more modifications, like display the string if the value is greater than 200, then give the some message your your area is a light or a normal or a dark. As per your comment, you can do this. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot guys.